Good morning, folks. My name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a pre-owned 2015 Arctic Fox 1150 truck camper. This is designed for a good-sized truck, a one-ton dually. It already has the swing-out brackets. It's got a topper on the slide. We're going to step inside and take a look at some of the features inside. Notice while we go in, this has got the Fox landing. It makes entry very easy. $11.50 is the largest Arctic Fox built. Good sized bathroom. You have a slide out pantry in the galley area. It's got more storage below the slide out pantry. Microwave oven. The hood vent combo. 3-burner gas grill top. Nice gas oven. And folks, this is just how it came in. We haven't had our gals even in to clean it, and it's pretty darn clean. This particular coach has, of course, the AM/FM CD player, your panel here, your heat control here. You've got a good size sleeping area with wardrobe on both sides and a second wardrobe here. It's got the counter extension that fits right here and gives you a little extra counter space. It's got a fantastic vent here right above the bed area, which is real nice to have. It's got another second pantry, or you can take these shelves out. Someone's added the shelves, and it's a second wardrobe. Nice size Norcold refrigerator, freezer with adjustable temperature. Of course, this particular coach has air conditioning. It's got the quick release fold down booth, makes into a bed very easily. Folks, this is a great camper, very well insulated. It's one of the more popular brands here in the Pacific Northwest, built up in La Grande, Oregon. We're going to go to the exterior. I want to point out a few things there. This particular camper is equipped with the electric rear awning. Of course, you've got a ladder, 2.5 Cummins Onan generator. Like I said when we went in, it's got the Fox landing. By the way, folks, this camper was bought new from us. It's a local camper. We're proud to have it. It's got the remote control electric jacks. One of the nice things about the camper, most campers have 5-gallon propanes. This has got the bigger propane gallons tanks on it. Another nice thing is the batteries. It's got 2 batteries on a slide out tray. Folks, we don't have very many pre-owned campers. We only have 3 of them here, and I can assure you this won't last long. So if it's something you're interested in, please give me a call. Rich.White at 541-521-8914. Thanks for your time.